Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the US dollar Canadian monthly, I still see that this move is very corrective looking. So unless it does break down very strong to the downside below these lows, I'm actually still thinking that there's a good chance that this is going to make another move to the upside. But if the US dollar starts making a big move to the downside, then this very easily could make a big move to the downside also. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where you can just see how very overlapping and corrective this whole pattern looks. Like I said, if it starts to really break below structure and close below all that structure, that would definitely tell me that the trend is down, especially if the US dollar does make a big move to the downside like we are waiting for. But looking at how corrective this is definitely is making me think that it is going to make another move to the upside. So let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it looked like almost a perfect A, three waves up for a B, and a downtrend for the C. But then what happened was it made another three waves up, so maybe this is the wave D, and maybe now we're heading down for like a wave E, which would probably break below this low, end up looking something like that, and then end up continuing the uptrend, like an ABCDE pattern. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is where you can start to see this trend series of lower lows, lower highs. We haven't broken any structure yet, so the trend is still definitely down. And until it actually goes up and breaks any structure on this time frame, I would just continue to look for shorts in a downtrend for the continuation of this downtrend. So let's keep going down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it definitely looks like it is trying to make a move up, and if it does break structure, that will tell me this trend is over. But even if it does do that, most likely this is just going to be a crescent, maybe even like an ABC of 2. So if it does break up, then I would expect to see something like this, and then the continuation down. If it doesn't break up and does something like this, and makes three waves up and pulls it down with a lower high, lower high, lower high, then I would also take that as a sorting opportunity for the continuation of this downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.